Jody Westgate thought she hired a licensed contractor to work on her home. He said he was, but he lied.
I hired a contractor. I thought he was licensed. When it came down that he wasn't, I had paid him $3,200, and then when I had to get it fixed by another contractor, it ended up costing me an additional $4,000.
They're called contractors, people who pretend to be licensed but aren't. Sometimes they're well-meaning handymen, other times they're simply crooks.
They're in the newspaper, they're in the yellow pages, they're on television, they're on the internet, and they are unlicensed.
And don't think that an ad in a legitimate newspaper or TV station makes the advertiser legitimate.
I've notified numerous media organizations and told them that the people in their ads are unlicensed. And they say they simply take the money and put the ads in. It's not their problem.
So how do you keep this story from becoming yours? Well, don't take anyone's word that they're licensed. Check with the county and state on both the person and the company, and don't ever pay too much up front.
Never pay more than 10% down on a job, and then to pay for the job as you go along in installments.
In short, don't pay until the work is done, and investigate before the work begins.
Do an investigation, or the police will end up doing an investigation later like I do.